I love gold. I love gold so much, hence the name Gold Member.
Trim your Gold Member with a Manscaped Lawn Mower 5.0 Gold Edition. You can safely trim your chest hair,
Sweet chest hair, man.
armpits. You can also use it to trim your beard to different lengths using the multiple size clips. Then you can change it to the foil shaver to shape your beard and get a smooth finish. It comes with a beautiful case. It is rechargeable. It has an LED light to reach dark places. It's waterproof so you can shave in the shower. Every man needs this. Big discount code Myong at manscaped.com.